I talk a lot about Swiss triplets and the concept of Garibaldi-zing things, so I wanted to put together a lesson that puts all that just in one place for reference. So Swiss triplets, very simply, are right, right, left, right, right, left, but you put a flam on that first right. So let's look at the Swiss triplet in its simplest form. So in a lot of my lessons, we deal with stickings that are combinations of right, right, lefts. And what we can do with those to make them a little bit more interesting and a little bit more textured is you can play the Swiss triplet and add that left hand. So let me play up here on the hi-hat and the snare, playing without adding in that grace note, which would be the Swiss triplet. Now I'm going to turn that into a Swiss triplet. And when we do, when the hands are split up between the hi-hat and the snare, we turn these notes into double stops when the hands play together. So you're not playing a grace note where the left hand plays right before the right anymore. You're playing these notes together when you add in this grace note. Now this is a concept that David Garibaldi started applying to stickings. So he made this very popular in Tower of Power and played things like this on What Is Hip and Soul Vaccination, which are great grooves that incorporate right, right, left stickings and then add these notes in them to make those right, right, lefts into Swiss triplets. So I've taken the concept of taking the right, right, left, making it into a Swiss triplet, and then splitting the hands up so that you come into texturizing what you're doing. So a lot of times I like to put the left hand on the pandero, the right hand on the cowbell. Let's listen to what that sounds like when you take the Johnny V sticking, which is right, right, left, right, right, left, right, left, and then you add the Swiss triplet. So here's the right, right, left, right, right, left, right, left. Add the Swiss triplet. So here's something that I've been doing lately, which is taking a sticking, adding the Swiss triplets, and then switching up the voicing. So I might play it with the left hand on pandero, right hand on cowbell for one measure, then take that same concept and then move it over to right hand on floor tom, left hand on cowbell, and then seeing what that does. And that really starts to sound like a lot of percussion going on with just one person playing. So just trying to show you some of what's possible once you start really getting into Swiss triplets and splitting them around. But I wanted to put all of this into one place so you can reference Swiss triplets and come here and check them out and know what I'm talking about when I mention Swiss triplets in a lesson. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the like button as well as the notification bell so you can be notified when I post future lessons and videos here on my YouTube channel. I would love to have you come check out StantonMooreDrumAcademy.com. I have over 20 hours of video lessons there, as well as over 300 pages of written lessons as well. I would love to have you join and become part of the SMDA community. Thank you all for checking us out. See you down the line.